Now students, our third question is write general formula. Write general formula of alkane, alkene and alkyne. Very important, this question comes. And this has already come. These are all questions which I am discussing in this assignment number 1. These are the questions which came in the board exam in the previous years. Okay. And write the molecular and structural formula of first two members of each kind. First two members. So first member 1 carbon atom, second member 2 carbon atom. Remember this. Okay. For alkane, alkene and alkyne. So first you have to write the general formula. So alkane means single bond between carbon atoms. And what is general formula for alkane? Cn H2n plus 2. This is general formula for alkane, and N denotes the number of carbon atom. So first two members. So first member 1 carbon. So double of 1, 1 2s are 2, 2 plus 2, 4. So how many hydrogen? 4, CH4. This becomes the molecular formula for the first member. And 1 carbon means meth. And single bond between carbon atom, ane, methane. Now second member, how many carbon atoms? 2. And hydrogen will be, as it is alkane, double of carbon, 2 2s are 4 plus 2, 6, C2H6. And 2 carbon atoms means eth. And single bond between carbon atoms, so ane, ethane. So first member methane, second member ethane. Okay. So this becomes the molecular formula. Now structural formula with bondings you will show. How many carbon? 1. Satisfy the valency of carbon by hydrogen. And what is valency of carbon? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this becomes the structural formula for methane. Next, ethane. How many carbon? 2. Write 2 carbon with single bond. Satisfy the valency of carbon by hydrogen. For this carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4. For this carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this becomes the structural formula for ethane. Now come to alkene. Again what you will write? General formula. What is general formula? For alkene, CnH2n. For alkane, CnH2n plus 2. And for alkene, CnH2n means hydrogen will be just double of carbon. That's all. And first member, as it is alkene means at least one or more double bond between. Alkene will have 1 or more double bond between carbon atoms. And for double bond, at least 2 carbon is required. So with 1 carbon, no alkene. So first member of alkene is ethene, not methane. Remember this. So first member will be ethene and second member will be propene with 3 carbon atoms. First member ethene, not methane. Remember it for alkene and alkyne. Because alkene 1 or more double bond between carbon atom, alkyne 1 or more triple bond between carbon atoms. And for double bond or triple bond, at least you require 2 carbon atoms. So first member will have 2 carbon atoms for alkene and alkyne. So first member for alkene is ethene and for alkyne it will be ethyne. Clear? Now molecular formula. 2eth means 2 carbon atoms and ene means double bond between carbon atoms. So alkene general formula, hydrogen is double of carbon. So 2 2s are 4, C2H4. This is molecular formula for ethene. Next for propene. Prop means 3 carbon atoms and alkene, hydrogen is double of carbon, 3 2s are 6, C3H6. Okay. Next, structural formula. How many carbon? 2. First write 2 carbon atom with single bond. As it is ene means alkene, so put double bond between carbon atom. Satisfy the valency of carbon by hydrogen. So for this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. For this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 you will not write fourth hydrogen here, you will write in 180-degree angle. For the first and last carbon atom, one hydrogen should be in 180-degree angle. Okay, this you should remember. Next, propene. Prop means 3 carbon. So write 3 carbon with single bond. Ene means at least one double bond between carbon atoms. So any 2 carbon atoms put double bond. Then satisfy the valency of carbon by hydrogen. So for this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. You will not write 3, 4. One hydrogen should be in 180-degree angle. For this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. You can write here or down on the lower side. Okay. For this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. So C3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, C3H6. So this becomes a structural formula for propene. Okay. Next, alkyne. Third. And for alkyne, general formula is CN H2N minus 2, means hydrogen is double of carbon minus 2. And again first member is not methane, ethane. At least 2 carbon is required for triple bond. Alkyne means triple bond between carbon atom. So first member ethane, and eth means how many carbon atoms? 2, C2, and hydrogen will be double of carbon minus 2. So 2 2s are 4 minus 2, 2, C2H2. Next, second member, first member is of 2 carbon, so second member will be of 3 carbon. For 3 carbon atom, word root used is prop, triple bond between carbon atoms, so ine, propyne. And for molecular formula, prop means 3 carbon and hydrogen will be double of carbon minus 2. So 3 2s are 6, 6 minus 2, 4, C3H4. Now, structural formula 2 carbon atoms, first write 2 carbon with single bond. Then ine means triple bond between carbon atom. Satisfy the valency of carbon by hydrogen, 1, 2, 3, 4. In 180-degree you will write, not here. 1, 2, 3 again 180-degree, 4. So C2H2. Now for propyne, how many carbon? 3. First write 3 carbon with single bond. Ine means at least one triple bond between carbon atoms. So any of the 2 carbon atoms between 2 carbon put triple bond. Then satisfy the valency of carbon by hydrogen. 1, 2, 3. Fourth hydrogen you will not add here, 180-degree. Again for this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. Already satisfied, no hydrogen required. For this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. This is single bond. Clear? So this is general formula for alkane, alkene, alkyne, and first 2 members molecular and structural formula. Okay.